This kit is all about you making your own DIY treatments at home. This is part of you educating yourself on ingredients and how to make simple things at home that don't require a lot of different things to make. So in this kit, you're going to get 3 different herbs. Okay, these are 2 of my favorite herbs, and then one that I use all of these herbs in the products that I make for 180 Hair products. Okay, all of these herbs are in the products that I use, so I'm very familiar with all of them. Okay, and you're going to get the 3 herbs. Like I said, you're going to get an empty spray bottle, you're going to get an empty flip top bottle for your oil infusions. You're going to get a little jar if you wanted to make something in the jar. The most important thing in here, you're going to get some blank labels so that you can label all of your projects. You get a small sample of rosemary essential oil. Okay, this is a great oil for hair and scalp health. Rosemary oil is one of the oils that really helps open that follicle head to get products down into it, get the hair growing. Okay, rosemary oil is actually also very close to minoxidil. And it also comes with 4 recipe cards to get you started. So 4 different recipes will also be included in the kit to help you get started. Now this is excellent because you can make these products, or you can make products for your hair fresh. Okay, it won't be something that has been sitting on a shelf or something that you don't know what's in it. It also helps you to educate yourself on what your hair likes. I also will release a video every week that'll show you how to make something using what's in this kit. Okay, it's only 3 herbs, but there are limitless possibilities on things that you can make. Now you will need to buy some extra things from time to time if you don't have them at home, like a carrier oil, or you may need something like a strainer, or you may need like a measuring cup, things like that. But as we are making different DIY projects, I will always make sure you have everything you need, whether it's what's already in the kit or if it's something that you need to buy, or an extra tool or something that you need. I'll make sure you know exactly what to get. And the amount of herbs that you are getting, so for example, the fenugreek, this is a lot of fenugreek. Okay, this is 50 grams. You can make so many different things with this. Most of the recipes that I upload, you're using like a teaspoon or at most a tablespoon. So you're not using a lot of those ingredients at a time, so they would last you a while. You should be able to make several different blends with that kit. Not everybody is a DIY project person, okay? That's how I even started this business, because I love doing DIYs and finding solutions to problems. So if that's not something that you're into, that's fine. I have products that are already made. All right, I've already done the research. That's why this product has been so effective for so many people. Okay, and then we also have the liquid version. So we have products that have already been formulated, have already been tested. If you are not a DIY person, that is perfectly fine. Okay, and as always, remember, you deserve to have hair that is healthy and growing, and it is my mission to help you get there. I will see you all next time.